Today we are at Martin Park Nature Center. They have a really cool playground right behind me. They have a lake, they have hiking trails, and there's lots of wildlife here.
Hey Mommy, are these all the turtles that are here? Red-eared slider turtle. Don't put your camera. It's right there.
You found a turtle? Oh, do you see it, Ivy? It's on the log in the water. Yeah.
It's alive.
Right there.
It's showed on the list now.
There's a squirrel
Oh,
eating
it's
a
tearing
nut.
stuff.
It's tearing
out.
the outer part off of the nut.
Oh, wonder what's inside.
It's a bee hotel. There's 2 deer over there. Oh, it's looking at you. You look. Look, the baby's watching you.
Right there.